touchdowns. That would be 2 times 6, right? Because each touchdown is 6. So there, we've got that. Then we apply the same approach for the other 2 kinds of scores. So then we've got 1 times k, if k represents the number of extra point kicks, okay? And then we've got 4 times, let's call it f. Really, you can call it whatever you want in terms of variables, but I'm just trying to make it a little easy and related to the actual name it's derived from. So this is the number of field goals. So when you simplify this expression, you've got 6t plus 1k plus 4f. And actually, I'm going to make a note here. Yes, this is technically correct writing 1k, but honestly, the farther you get in mathematics, it's a little bit redundant, because if you just have k by itself, it's obvious you just have 1. If it was a fraction or more than 1, obviously you would put a coefficient. So we can just write it as 6t plus k plus 4f. Okay, so we know how much the team scored, so that means 3 touchdowns, t equals 3, 2 extra point kicks, k equals 2, 4 field goals, so f equals 4. So we just plug these 3 values into that expression, and boom, we'll get it. Okay, I'm just going to put it up here a little. So 6t plus k plus 4f, that is our expression. 6t equals 3, so we've got 6 times 3 plus the k, which is 2, plus 4f, f equals 4, plus 4 times 4. And then you just simplify it from left to right. So 6 times 3 is 18, 2, well, you've got 2 by itself. 4 times 4 is 16, okay? So then we have, oh wait, hold on. Let's see, my bad, see? This is why it's important. Okay. Even I make mistakes sometimes. Good thing, okay. Actually, this is 3 times 4. This is always good to double check. See, I told you I don't know much about football. Field goal is 3 points, so this is actually 3 times 4. Okay, so the same basic rule applies though. So we've got 6 times 3. Let me make sure. Touchdown is 6 points. We've got 3 touchdowns. Okay, 6 times 3. The extra point kick is 1 point each. We've got 2 of those, so 2. And we've got a field goal, 3 points apiece, and we got 4 of those. So we've got 18 plus 2 plus 12. And now we just simplify from left to right. 18 plus 2 is 20. Plus 12, and 20 plus 12 is 32. So the team scored a total of 32 points. So see, you can go from something like words and descriptions to an algebraic expression that you can then simplify when you know certain amounts. So that wraps it up for today's 4 examples. I hope this was helpful, and definitely a bit of a delving into, I guess you could call it, for more word problems, and definitely going to be more to come, I think, because once you get into the thickness of algebra, it gets pretty cool. So be sure to keep updated. Until next time, Maya out, and this is Mathelingual.